Download the iSaw app. iSaw app is for LBMO1. If you have an iOS phone, open App Store. Search for iSaw. Click Download. Click Open when the download is completed. Register or log in your account. If you have an Android phone, scan QR code, click Download. Click Allow once when the download is completed. Click Install. Click Install. Installation completed. Register or log in your account.